with that, we can assure the public that, number one, everything that you're going to get is, has been considered, especially the food safety factor. Secondly, there's no price gouging. You can come in a suit, you can come in short pants, you can speak with a foreign accent, you can speak,
It's the same
perfect
price.
Bisaya, you get the same price. Because everything is priced according to how we have set it. And of course, service. Our people are trained, our people are all professionals. So you can be sure that when they serve you, the entire process, the entire dining experience and process is done at the utmost professional level. So that's what makes our soup to kill so unique. And then finally the price, because the price is set at 400 pesos per head. We have a free appetizer. Normally it's fried crablets or crispy skin head. Then you have a soup, a quinoa soup. It can be quinoa shrimp, quinoa fish head, or a mixture of both. No, it depends on what is available for the day. The kinilaw can be kinilaw tangigi, kinilaw molmol, or kinilaw live shrimp, which is really, really nice. You get it from the tanque. And then you get a grilled dish. So you have kinilaw, quinoa, and then sinuba, which can be a fish or squid. And then you get one free dish. It can be chicken barbecue or pork barbecue, and then you have rice. So all in all, it's 5 viands and a rice. I would like to invite everybody who is watching, or those who are not watching but who get the word about Seafood City, to come and check it out yourself. We will be very, very happy to serve you.